This is the 2027 Kia Telluride, and it's not just an update, it's a statement. Bigger, smarter, and so luxurious. You'll forget it's a Kia. This is the SUV that's making luxury brands very nervous. Welcome back to GearLoom Drive, where we dive into the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. And today, we're taking a deep look at the brand new 2027 Kia Telluride, a vehicle that's redefining what mainstream luxury really means. We'll cover its striking new design, cutting-edge tech, performance upgrades, and yes, the price that might shock you. So, buckle up, because this is one SUV that refuses to stay in its lane. Let's start with that new design, because wow, Kia went bold. The front fascia now wears a re-sculpted grille with a floating light signature that stretches from end to end. It's sleeker, more upscale. Think Range Rover presence with Korean precision. The body lines are smoother, with muscular fenders that make it look planted and powerful. And those 22-inch turbine-style wheels? They give it that commanding stance we haven't seen before in this class. Around back, the vertical taillights now feature a full-width LED bar. Modern, minimalist, and incredibly clean. Add the new Telluride script badge across the tailgate, and you've got an SUV that looks more $90,000 Escalade than family hauler. Step inside, and it's like entering a tech lounge on wheels. The cabin feels futuristic yet warm. A mix of sustainably sourced wood, stitched Napa leather, and soft-touch suede accents. The dual 14-inch curved displays now merge seamlessly into one sweeping glass panel. Crystal clear, lightning fast, and fully customizable. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin like a halo, with over 60 colors to match your mood. And the new AI-driven assistant? It learns your preferences, climate, seat position, even your favorite playlist, and adjusts automatically. Second-row passengers get heated, ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a dual-screen entertainment setup. Compared to the Palisade or Highlander, this interior feels like it belongs 2 segments higher. Under the hood, Kia kept the proven 3.8-liter V6, but now with a mild hybrid assist for smoother power delivery and better efficiency. You're looking at around 315 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts almost telepathically. The available AWD system now comes with terrain response modes: snow, mud, sand, adapting instantly to whatever's ahead. Behind the wheel, it's whisper quiet. The ride feels planted and composed thanks to updated suspension tuning and new acoustic glass. It's not just a family SUV anymore. It's a road trip luxury cruiser. So, what's all this going to cost? The 2027 Telluride starts around $41,000, with fully loaded trims touching $56,000. Still undercutting anything offering this level of comfort and tech. It's stylish, spacious, and sophisticated. A rare triple threat in today's SUV world. So the real question is, would you pick this over a Lexus TX or an Acura MDX? Drop your thoughts below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you'd rock the new Telluride in your driveway. This has been GearLoom Drive. See you in the next one.